if you can tell, but I think it's bike season. I've seen more bikes today than I have since I got my my bike like 3 months ago. It's wild. But this whole week is supposed to be like 70 degrees every day, which it normally is not 70 degrees, and it's not showing any rain or anything like that, so should be a pretty nice week of riding, and I'm conveniently off all week, so that is quite nice. I saw that there wasn't going to be any rain, and it was actually going to have decent weather, so I was like, bye. I'm not showing up for work.